Hello friends, welcome to another video from programming tutorial channel. In this video I want to solve the question number 4.19. The question is given with example values, so let's start solving. First of all, we need scanner class. Now we have to declare the variables. The question is asking us to declare double type variables. Double. We have a gross variable, comma, this equal to 0, and earning. Earning is also double, so and also another variables integer, counter equal to 0, and sort number so now we have a condition while counter is less than 4, then it will exit the loops, otherwise it will continue entire the loops. Counter plus plus, we need this counter plus plus to count the number of items. So now enter the sort quantity for item number plus counter. Now it is asking for us to get the inputs. Sort number sold is equals to input dot next int. Now we have the input. Let's compare the whether it is item 1 or 2 or 3. If counter is equals to 1, now the gross variable will be equals to gross plus sort number sold multiplied by the values given here. The first value is 239.99. 239.99. Now we have another condition, is if counter is equals to 2, then gross is equals to gross plus, let's check the next value, 129.75. 129.75. Number sold is multiplying. Now we have another item, counter is equals to 3. Let's copy this sentence. We have third value. Third value is 99.95. 99.95. 99.95, and other, let's copy this in here, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, now we have the next value 350.89, 350.89. So we have finished. Let's get the output. The question is asking that get the 9% and 200. This is weekly salary of the employee, and this is the commission percentage. So let's get this value first. We have earning is equals to 9% of that value can be with gross this is the 9%. Now we should plus it with 200, which is the salary, weekly salary of the employee. Now we have the earning. Let's print it. This earning this week is equals to module 0.2 FS comma earning. Now let's make it very clear output so that it gives us a readable output. Now let's check the output. So let me first explain it to you that how this program works. The most important point of this program is here. I think that we are giving the 9% here, 9% of the gross value, and we have 200 salary. So the value of the weekly earning of the employee will be saved here. We are printing it here. So this is the counter variable which only count the items. We are entering the values for that. First time this value comes here 1, here this condition becomes true. So the entire quantity of the sold will be here, and the price of the first item is this one. So this condition is each of these condition become true one by one, but but not simultaneously. Only one of these condition will run at the time. Okay, let's check the output. Now it's asking that enter the sold quantity for item 1. Suppose we sold 12 item, and from item number 2 we have sold 33, and for item 3 we have sold 66 for example, and this second one only 5, the fourth one. So let's check the output. Yes, the earning this week is 1438.25. This is completely correct. Guys, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel to get my next videos.